First problem. If x, y and z be the distances moved by a particle with constant acceleration during nth, mth and nth second of its motion respectively. This is the given problem from our material, page number 63, problem number 1. Here we know formula to calculate the distance traveled by the body in nth second. Distance traveled by the body in nth second is equal to formula u plus a into n minus half is the formula. By using this, here they given nth second, mth second, nth second distances x, y, z. So I am taking x is equal to u plus a into L minus of, say this is equation number 1, y is equal to u plus a into m minus of, say this is equation number 2, and the third equation z is equal to u plus a into n minus of. These are the three equations we written by using given data. Here, from this equation 2 minus equation 3, now we do. So from this we can write y minus z, which is equal to y is equal to u plus multiply with a am minus a by 2, we can get formula minus z value here u plus an minus a by 2. This is the z value. Multiply with minus, then we get u minus am minus, sorry, here plus, minus into plus minus u, minus into plus minus an, minus into minus plus a by 2 we can get. In this, minus a by 2 and plus a by 2 terms get cancelled. Here, this is minus a by 2, this one is plus a by 2, both get cancelled, and plus u, minus u also get cancelled. Here, we got a into m minus n we can get. From this, acceleration a is equal to y minus z divided by m minus n we can get. This a value, substitute equation 2. So from equation 2 we can write y is equal to u plus, we know a value, y minus z divided by m minus n into m minus 1 by 2. From this equation, u is equal to y minus, this term take this side, then get negative, y minus z by m minus n into m minus of. Here you take LCM, m minus n is the LCM, m minus n, here y into m minus n we can get minus y minus z into m minus 1 by 2 we can get. Here, from this, multiply with y, then we get ym minus yn, formula minus y into m, ym minus y into of y by 2 minus zm minus into minus plus z by 2 divided by m minus n we can get. Now, this term multiply with minus, then we get ym minus yn minus ym minus into minus plus y by 2 here plus zm minus z by 2 whole divided by m minus n we can get. This is u value. Here in these two terms if you observe plus ym and minus ym both get cancelled. So remaining terms u is equal to here y, here y is there. If you take y common, then we get 1 by 2 minus n we can get 1 by 2 minus n. And in the same way if you take z common, z into here we can get m minus 1 by 2 divided by m minus n we can get. This is u value. Now we got u value and a value. These two values substitute in equation 1. So substitute u value and a value in equation 1. This is equation 1. From that x is equal to u value we know y into 1 by 2 minus n plus z into m minus 1 by 2 divided by m minus n plus a value we know y minus z by m minus n into l minus 1 by 2. Here in denominator if you take LCM, m minus n is the LCM, m minus n. Again I am multiplying with y. Here we can get y by 2 minus yn. Here zm we can get minus z by 2 plus of here y into l yl plus into minus y by 2 minus zl minus into minus plus z by 2 we can get. So these are terms we can get. If you observe here plus y by 2 and minus y by 2 get cancelled, plus z by 2 and minus z by 2 get cancelled. From this if you take y common in these two terms, y into l minus n we can get. Here plus is there, l minus n plus z into m minus l divided by m minus n we can get. Cross multiply, then we get x into m minus n is equal to y into l minus n plus z into m minus l we can get. In these terms you take minus common, then we get minus y into n minus l minus z into l minus m we can get. So these two terms also take this side, then we get x into m minus n plus y into n minus l plus z into l minus m is equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Second problem. The speed of a train increases at a constant rate alpha from 0 to v and then remain constant for an interval and finally decreases to 0 at constant rate beta. If L be the total distance described and T is the total time, then here this problem is a second problem in page number 63. According to problem, body starts from the rest, so take it as initial velocity 0. its velocity gradually increases at a constant rate of alpha. So it is in accelerating alpha. Reaches a velocity v. From v, it travels a certain time with a constant velocity v, and again its speed decreases to 0. Finally, its velocity becomes 0. From here to here. In retardation, they given constant rate beta. So acceleration is equal to minus retardation minus beta we can get. Here, assume it travels a distance s1 with an acceleration alpha, s2 distance with constant velocity, s3 distance with retardation. It takes t1 second to reach a velocity from 0 to v seconds, and t2 second travels with constant velocity, and t3 second taken to again reaches to 0 velocity from velocity v. Here, according to given problem, total distance s1 plus s2 plus s3 is equal to L they given. Total time t is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3 is equal to t. Here. How to calculate t1, t2, t3 values? So here, first use this equation v is equal to u plus at. First apply for this portion. Initial velocity 0, acceleration is alpha, and time is t1. Final velocity is v. From this v is equal to alpha into t1, time t1 is equal to v by alpha. This is t1 value. Next, same equation apply for this interval. Here initial velocity act as v, final velocity 0. So for that equation 0 is equal to v plus of minus beta into t3. For this 0 is equal to v minus beta into t3. If we simplify, then we get t3 is equal to v by beta. So we got t1 value and t3 values. T1 value and t3 value, substituting this equation, we get t2 value. So from that, t2 is equal to t minus t1 minus t3. So that is equal to t minus t1 is equal to v by alpha, t3 is equal to v by beta. We got t2 value. Say this is equation, another one. So next. From third equation of motion, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. From this equation, take here initial velocity 0, final velocity is v. V square minus 0 square is equal to 2 into alpha into distance is s1. So from this we can get s1 is equal to v square by 2 into alpha. Same equation taken for this interval. Here final velocity 0, initial velocity act as a v. So 0 square minus v square is equal to 2 into minus beta into s3. So minus v square is equal to minus 2 beta into s3. From this we can get s3 is equal to v square by 2 beta. We got s3 value, s1 value. But here we know total distance L is equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3. But s2, here the body maintaining a constant velocity. So s2 is equal to velocity v into t2 we can write, because it maintain a constant velocity. From this, T2 is equal to S2 by V we can write. S2 is equal to we can write L minus S1 minus S3 by V we can write. So we know S1 value, S3 value, substitute here, and if you observe this is T2 value and this is T2 value, equate them, then we get a answer. So from these two equations, T minus V by alpha minus V by beta is equal to L minus S1 minus S3 by V we can write. So from this, T is equal to V by alpha plus V by beta. This V write as a fraction, then we get L by V minus S1 by V minus S3 by V we can write. So S1 is equal to V square by 2 alpha V by alpha plus V by beta plus L by V minus S1 is equal to V square by 2 alpha V square by 2 alpha into here V will come minus V square by 2 beta into V will come here. Here V square V get cancelled, square and V get cancelled. Here also square and V get cancelled. So from that we can write L by V plus V by alpha plus V by beta minus V by 2 alpha minus V by 2 beta. From these two terms, you take V by alpha you take common, then we get 1 minus 1 by 2 plus V by beta you take common, then we get 1 minus 1 by 2 we can get. So finally we can get time t is equal to L by V plus V by alpha 1 minus 1 by 2 1 by 2. So V by 2 alpha plus V by 2 beta we can get. Or otherwise, same we can write T is equal to L by V plus V by 2 into 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta we can write. This is the required equation. Next problem. A point moves with uniform acceleration. V1, V2 and V3 denote the average velocities in three successive intervals of time T1, T2 and T3. This problem from our material, page number 44, problem number 36. Here they given average velocities. We know average velocity formula. Average velocity is equal to V plus U by 2 is the formula. That is average velocity. Here, three successive time intervals given. That means you assume starting point here. It takes from here to here t1 seconds. This interval is t1. Here to here, this interval is taken as t2. Here to here, this interval is taken as t3. Assume initial velocity of the particle is u. After t1 seconds, its velocity is taken as v11. After t1 plus t2 seconds, its velocity is v22. Finally, its velocity is taken as v33. What about v11? So from this equation, v is equal to u plus at. v11 is equal to u plus a into t1. v22 is equal to u plus a into v22 is after t1 plus t2 seconds. So a into t1 plus t2 seconds. Clear? Initial velocity u, final velocity is taken as vt2. So what is the time interval from here to here? T1 plus t2. So that is the equation. So from this v22 is equal to u plus at1 plus a into t2. So instead of this at1, we can write v11 also. v11 plus at2 also we can write, which is v22 value. In same way, v33 is equal to u plus a into, from here to here time interval, t1 plus t2 plus t3, t1 plus t2 plus t3. Same, if you simplify, we can write v33 is equal to v22 plus a into t3 also we can write. So from these equations, we know average velocity formula. So average velocity v1 is equal to u plus v11 by 2. v2 is equal to v11 plus v22 by 2. v3 is equal to v22 plus v33 by 2. So here this average velocity is v1, this average velocity is v2, this average velocity is v3. From this, it is taken as equation 1, it is taken as equation 2, this one equation 3. Now we do equation 1 minus equation 2. Equation 1 is v1 minus v2, which is equal to, from this we can write u plus v11 by 2 minus v11 by 11 plus v22 divided by 2. Here LCM is 2 is the LCM. U plus v11 multiply with minus v11 minus v22 we can get. Here minus term plus term both get cancelled. We can get v1 minus v2 is equal to u minus v22 is equal to u minus at1 minus at2 by 2. We can get u get cancelled. From this we can get v1 minus v2 is equal to, if you take minus a comma minus a by 2 into t1 plus t2 we can get. So this is one equation. Take it as equation number 4. In same manner, calculate v2 minus v3 value. So from that, v2 minus v3 is equal to v2 value v11 plus v22 by 2 minus v3 is equal to v22 plus v33 by 2. Take LCM, 2 is the LCM, v11 plus v22 minus v22 minus v33 we can get. Plus and minus terms get cancelled. From this we can get v11 minus v33 by 2 we can get. So we know v33 value. So v1 value also we know. So from that, if you substitute u plus at1 minus u minus at1 minus at2 minus at3 by 2 we can get. Here u get cancelled, at1 get cancelled. If we simplify, we can get v2 minus V3 is equal to, take minus a common, minus a by 2 into T2 plus T3 we can get. Say this is equation number 5. Take equation 3 and equation 5 ratio, finally we can get V1 minus V2, V1 minus V2 divided by V2 minus V3, which is equal to minus a by 2 into, here we can get T1 plus T2 divided by minus a by 2 into T2 plus T3. Minus a by 2 plus minus a by 2 get cancelled. From this we can write V1 minus V2 is to V2 minus V3 is equal to T1 plus T2 is to T2 plus T3. This is the required equation.